Welcome to the first dBWav tutorial. Here we are going to learn how to process the raw audio files and store the data in the more compact LVX file. To begin, select Setup located in the top left of the dBWav main window. Here you can select the parameters for the LVX file. A sample period can be entered, with 0.1 seconds being the smallest period. High-pass and low-pass filters with adjustable corner frequencies can be applied to the raw audio files while processing. Once you have entered in your settings, click OK. The next step is to process the raw audio files. For this tutorial, we are processing Ocean Instruments sound trap hydrophone files. Transducer name and timestamp information are read directly from the file name. Select Process. Navigate to the raw audio files that you would like to process. Select your files. Multiple files can be selected for batch processing. Once they have been selected, click Open. A summary of the new LVX files will show up in the Overview tab once the processing has completed. The next step is to calibrate the LVX files. Click Calibrate located in the top left, and a dialog box will pop up. There are three methods to creating a calibration file. The first calibration method requires a recording which contains a calibration tone at a known level. Click Load Reference Signal and navigate to the calibration tone recording. Select the recording and click Open. Click and drag to select the time period containing the calibration tone, and enter in the known calibration level. Click Create Cal File and a message will appear to show where the file has been saved. The second calibration method is specifically for Ocean Instruments sound trap hydrophones. Calibration values can be found on Ocean Instruments website by entering in the device serial number to find the factory calibration value. Go to the Sound Trap End-to-End tab and enter in the end-to-end calibration value from the website. Click Create Cal File. Name the calibration file and click Save. Text will appear to show that the file has been saved. The third calibration method is for generic hydrophone systems, where the system gains are known for each system component. Enter in the hydrophone sensitivity and amplifier gain. The ADC 0 to full-scale voltage is generally 1. As before, click Create Cal File to name and create the cal file. Now we need to apply the calibration file to the LVX file. Click OK to exit the calibration window. Located in the bottom left in the Overview tab, you will see that the LVX files say Uncalibrated. Click the Uncalibrated text. Select the calibration file you would like to apply to the LVX file, and click Open. Once an LVX file has been calibrated, a time trace will be shown on the chart on the main window. The time trace is a plot of sound levels across the duration of the raw audio file. The trace shows a sound level for each sample period using the value entered in the setup window. In this example, the sample period is 0.1 seconds. To remove the LVX file, click Clear LVXs. To reopen a previously processed LVX file, click Open and select the LVX files to open. Please watch Tutorial 2 to learn how to navigate time traces.